Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn how to do the forked half double crochet stitch. It's a really pretty stitch that has really nice texture to it and a really nice pretty look. So I have worked here a foundation. For this stitch there are no repeats, so you can work it with any number of stitches. So I have worked my foundation here. This is just a practice piece. If you want to pause for a second, you can work directly into chains. So pause the video, work your chains, and then come back. So because I'm working into a foundation, I'm starting with a chain 2. If you are working with just a chain, you would start in the third chain from the hook. So we're going to start by yarning over, going into a stitch, grabbing it, pulling it through. So now I have 3 loops. We're going to yarn over and go into the next stitch and pull it through. So now you have 5 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, go through 3 loops. This puts 3 on your hook, and then you're going to yarn over and pull your yarn through all 3. So it essentially looks a lot like a half double crochet decrease. The reason that we're not going to be losing stitches here is because we are actually going to be working twice in each stitch. So to start the next one, we're going to yarn over, go into the same stitch as the last one. So it's going to kind of do this shape. So we have 3 on our hook. We're going to go yarn over and into the next stitch. So again, that puts 5 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 3. Yarn over, pull through the remaining 3. This keeps the count consistent because we aren't working 1 in each stitch. We're again working in the same stitch as we go, and so we're going to have the same number of stitches on the top because we have only worked 2 stitches and we have 2 loops on top, 2 stitch loops. Okay, so to show that again, we're going to yarn over, go into the same stitch as the second part of the last stitch is worked. Yarn over, go into the next stitch. This gives us 5 loops. We're going to yarn over, pull through first 3. And whoops, if you pull it further, we got to back up. Yarn over, pull through the remaining 3. Yarn over into the same stitch. Yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over, pull it through 3 loops, yarn over, pull it through 3 remaining loops. So I'm going to work a stitch in each remaining stitch so you can see what a whole row would look like. Okay, so this is our finished texture. Mine is ruffling just a bit because I think that my hook is not quite big enough for the yarn that I'm using, but you can see that it has kind of a beautiful crisscross texture. So if we're working in turning rows, you're going to simply turn and work the exact same as you did, starting with the chain 2, and then you're going to work the first part of the stitch in this loop, the second in that, and then the first and the second as you go along. Always working the first part in the previous stitch. If you find that you accidentally started in the next stitch, you do need to pull it out and get it right. Otherwise you will be decreasing. So working them in the same stitch ensures that we'll have the same amount of stitches every single row. So I hope you enjoyed this new stitch tutorial and can't wait to see what you make with it. Happy crocheting!